Today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this ToLife Dehumidifier. It's a little dark right over here because this changes colors, and I'm going to show you what that is. You can do 7 different colors. This is going to hold over 95 ounces of water. So this is going to be good for about, call it 950 square feet. So it's going to be perfect for an RV, a smaller room, which is really nice. So super easy to operate as well. So you'll see right over here, this is going to be our on button right over here. So this is what's going to start it. So the nice part about this is it is freestanding. So it just sits like that. You don't need to put it anywhere. You could put it on a table. You could put it on the floor. You put it wherever you like. The door is right back over here. So this is where everything is going to collect right back over here. So when the water is full, this thing is going to turn red and it will shut off automatically. So you don't have to worry about water coming out or anything like that. So when we, right over here, you'll see, we just pull this out like that. It's beeping because it's saying, hey, your door is not in here. And this is what the bottom looks like right over here. Really easy to just pop this top off right over here. I'll give you a closer look. So this is kind of what it looks like from the top over here. So you literally just take this off, dump your water out, and you are good to go, which is really nice. So we could just put this right back in here and you're good to go. Now it says we're ready to rock and roll. It does come with this easy to use instruction guide. And the cool part about this is it does change colors. So you'll see right over here, we also have a sleep mode. So if you hit that, it's going to go a little quieter for you. And if it fills up, don't worry about it. It's going to auto shut off like we talked about before. If you want to change the color, you're going to hit this button right over here. And let me turn the lights off. You'll see there's a nice little glow. So that is kind of like the green color right over there. This is kind of what it looks like from the back over here. And it's going to circle through about 7 different colors, which is nice. And then whenever you see the color you want, you're going to hit the light button again, and that is going to lock in the color for you. It does like kind of sit here for a little bit. Let's try to get a cycle going here. So you'll see it does sit here for a little bit. And if you wanted to turn that off, you could just turn it off altogether as well. But really like the feature that it lights up. It just gives it a nice little ambiance to it as well. This does have a lock as well. So if you have kids or whatever, and you don't want them turning it off or anything like that, really simple to set that up. And of course, we have a handle right back over here to make it easy to carry. This is about 8 by 5 by 13, so super compact. This could be great for an RV, a smaller room, a bedroom. Like I said before, you could get up to about 950 square feet. That's going to be the best part for this. So if you're looking for a great dehumidifier that could hold up to 95 ounces of water, turns 7 different colors, has a handle, could do up to 950 square feet. You'll absolutely love this thing, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.